Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you check your serial number in your Samsung phone device. Guys, you want to check your guys serial number in your Samsung phone. So friends, you want to check guys serial number in your Samsung phone device. So guys, how can you check your serial number in your Samsung phone device? In this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys if you're new in my channel, so guys, first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. And friends, now time to start video friends. First of all guys, open your phone and guys click on your phone setting. After that guys, what will you have to do guys? You will have to scroll your phone guys. So we will scroll it. Then guys you can see guys your about phone settings. So why we will have to click here. So why we will click here. Then guys scroll it. Then guys you can see guys your status information. So why we will have to tap here. Then guys scroll guys you can see your serial number in your Samsung phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to check serial number in our Samsung phone device. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. So guys now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends. Thanks for watching my video.